this session on why we should live our life at maximum. An awesome evening to everybody watching this video. This is H195 Prime video, and in this video we are going to talk about why we should live our life at maximum, why we should live our life at fullest. I read somewhere that somebody's mother said to her son that every day you are not just getting older, your days in God's home are decreasing day by day. Again, I'm telling you this one thing. This is very important and very deep line. A mother said to her son that your days are not just getting, you are not just getting older, but in God's home, your days are decreasing day by day. This changed my entire life. That why should I live life at its maximum? Every single day, we fear some activities. We fear going to that gym. We fear do that meditation. We fear start a new subject. We fear to learn swimming. We fear to go to that presentation and do that public speaking act. We fear to start a new business. We fear to change our stream. We fear a lot of things in life, and every single day in that fear, we are wasting our one single day. Every sunrise is one less sunrise we will see. Again, I'm saying every sunrise is one less sunrise we will see. So every day we are wasting is one day less in our limited number of days. God has given us limited number of days. So every single day which we waste, every single day we spend time in doing the things which we don't love to do, or the things which are stopping us to do something which we love to do, that day we are wasting. So this is a truly amazing sentence. If you understand the meaning of this sentence, it is really awesome, and I would love to repeat that sentence one more time, that every day we are not just getting older. In God's home, our days are decreasing day by day. So beta, you should always learn. That her mother told to her son that, beta, you have to understand this one thing, that you have to live your life at its fullest every single day. What I had an incident today. I'm going to tell you. I was going to college in the morning. I was in the bus, and the bus stopped at Tarsali, my bus stand. So the bus stopped, and there was a person. He was a student of second or third year. He was looking senior. So he looked at me. I looked at him. The moment he looked at me, I looked at him. I smiled because I was very happy. I read this sentence. I was very happy, and I was in a mood to live my life at its fullest. So I smiled. He was not looking at somewhere else. He was looking at me, and the moment I smiled, he didn't reply. He did not reply. So I did this. He didn't reply then also. So I thought that what I did was my life. What I did was I was having the intention that he might get happy. He not be stressed. I add some positivity in him, or I send some positive vibes to his life. But he didn't reply. So what I did was my life, and what he did was his life. So maybe he was going through something, that's why he didn't reply. So the same thing what happened, the bus started running. The bus was running at around 20 to 30 km per hour. The bus was running, and suddenly after that, after 5-10 minutes, a scooty came, and there was his dad and his son was on the scooty. His son was around 9 to 10 years old. He was not that big. So he looked at me. I again smiled, and the son looked at me and he smiled back. I waved at him, and he also waved at me. So that was the best moment. He made my day. I made his day. He was very happy. I was very happy. So that is how you have to enjoy every single moment of life. Every single moment. You don't have to waste any single particular moment in getting sad, in getting depressed, or being angry, or wasting your time in something which is of not any worth. You should not waste your time at all. Your energy is limited, and your energy is the most precious thing in life. Your time is the most precious thing you have in life. What a 20-year-old have over a 50-year-old? 30 more years. What a 25-year-old have over 50 years? 25 more years. So you have time. What I would say through this video, I had this intent. I have this one intent. You have time. Your days are decreasing day by day. So you live your life your fullest. You don't fear anything. You try what you always wanted to do. You learn that thing which you always wanted to learn. You do that act which you always wanted to do. You tell that girl that you love them, or you tell that person that I care for you, or I want to make your day happier, or you do that kind of act which makes others' day and which makes yours day. So we should do the things which we fear the most. And definitely the girl part was not very I would say it was not related to many people, but it's okay. It was some, if it relates to somebody, I'm very good about it. So ultimately you should do something which you fear the most, and you should not waste your time. So this was H195 Prime video, and I hope you love this one. I hope you got to learn the best from this one. And I'm very I wish from the bottom of my heart that you are having a great day, a great life, and you're having the most happy moments in your life, and you are loving your loved ones, and you are spreading happiness, you're spreading kindness, you are grateful, you're writing down the 3 thoughts which you are grateful for every single night, and you are spending your time in a very precious manner, very intelligent manner, and in a very effective manner. So that's it. That was for 195 Prime video, and I'm very happy today, and I wanted to make you happy. That's why I make this video. And please do not waste your time. Be happy, keep people happy, and always keep working hard. This was H195 Prime video, and soon every next videos will definitely come every single day to make you more positive. See ya. Keep hard working.